Hello everybody, good morning or good afternoon, whatever time you're seeing this video. I'm sorry that for the second day in a row I couldn't come in. It ends up I'm very sick. I went to the doctor today. They told me I have to stay at home for another day. I should be back Wednesday, good as new, but with that being said, the show must go on and there is still work to do. As you know, you're working on your final project for this unit, the flip book of Neanderthals and Cro-Magnons. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what the next steps are in the process, and if you haven't already, what the steps are to finish before the next steps. So before we get going, I need you guys to do the first thing, and that first thing is to go back into groups. Now I'm going to put on the screen a picture of what the desk should look like. Now, you guys have pretty good memory, and the desks have looked the same all year, so I trust that you know, but just in case, I'm going to put a picture. So I'm going to ask the teacher, whoever the teacher is, to please put this video on pause as soon as the picture comes up, and then we can begin. If your groups are already together, then don't worry about it. Don't press pause. Just let the video keep rolling. Now that you've put your tables into groups, it's time to go on to the next thing. Now, you guys should all be finished with your packet, your original packet, and transferring your answers over to the second packet. Now, if you have not yet transferred your answers over to the second packet, that is what you are doing today. Remember, you are only transferring the answers only, no textual evidence. Then, the next step is to draw a picture inside the box that is next to it, the big blank box. Remember, the picture doesn't have to be the greatest artwork ever, but it does have to be close or on topic to what it is. So for example, if you put a spear, but you're talking about clothing, that's not really going to work. But if you put an animal coat when you're talking about clothing, that's going to work. Then, whoever the teacher is, there is going to be a bunch of markers on my desk. There's a big thing of markers. Each table will get 10 markers, one of each color. For the students, it is your job to not only make sure that all 10 markers go back into the box once the period is over, but it is also your job to make sure that you are sharing those colors equally, all right? No one likes a color hog, okay? Now, if you're done with all of that, the next part is the cutting. Teacher, whoever you are, Ms. D, Mr. Bailey, maybe somebody else, there is a bag on my desk, a plastic bag. In that plastic bag, there are scissors. Each of these scissors, one pair of scissors goes per desk, which means if you're at a 4-person or a 5-person desk, you're going to have to share those scissors. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole class set of scissors, so we're going to have to share. Remember, if you're sharing scissors, please be aware that you need to share them with other people at your table, and don't be a scissor hog. So what are we going to do with those scissors? First, we're going to take our second sheets, and we're going to take a look at them. They have 2 boxes on each one. You're going to take a scissor, and you're very simply going to cut on the outline of the boxes. That's it. That's all you have to do. Just cut out those boxes. Tomorrow, we'll get to the next part, and you'll know exactly what that's about. And for the teachers, there are also paper clips in my desk. When the students are done cutting out all of their cutouts, please give them a paper clip. They're then going to paper clip all of their cutouts and hold on until the next day. On Wednesday will be the final step of this project where everyone will be good to go and they will hand me their completed work. Okay? So the steps again, you're going to transfer your answers. If you already did that, you're going to draw. If you already did that, you're going to color. If you already did that, you're going to cut. And if you cut, then you're going to paper clip all your cut papers together and you're going to put them in your book bag for safekeeping, or your folder or your binder, wherever you think is the safest place to keep it. Again, I'm sorry that I had to miss a day. I wish I was there with you guys right now, but I have to look out for myself at the moment. So I will see you on Wednesday. We will complete the project on Wednesday, and all will be good with the world. All right. So until Wednesday, see ya.